The Indian Ministry of External Affairs has confirmed that since January of this year, over 2,790 Indian nationals have been deported from the United States for illegally residing there. The MEA verified the credentials and nationality of these individuals before they were sent back. This mass repatriation is taking place amid a major immigration crackdown by the US government, which claims the move is essential to protect American jobs and enforce their borders. The news highlights a devastating human tragedy where the promise of a new life turns into a crushing burden of debt and public humiliation for those involved. The deportation of 2,790 Indian nationals in the past 10 months up until October 29, 2025 is not just a statistic. It is a direct consequence of a massive organized illegal migration pipeline and a sharpened US immigration policy. The process of deportation, organized by US Immigration and Customs Enforcement or ICE, has been a major point of political controversy in India. In February 2025, a flight carrying over 100 Indian deportees on a US military aircraft landed in Amritsar, Punjab. Harrowing reports emerged that some of the male deportees were shackled in chains for the 40-hour journey. This inhuman treatment drew immediate and sharp criticism from India's political opposition. Congress leaders questioned why the government was silent on the inhuman treatment, unlike other countries that formally protested. The Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee also criticized the removal of turbans from Sikh deportees. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar raised the issue in Parliament on February 6, 2025, while confirming that deportation is a continuous process and that US procedures permit the use of restraints. He assured the House that the MEA had strongly registered its concerns with US authorities to ensure humane treatment, especially for women and children. The deported individuals primarily hailed from states like Punjab, Gujarat, and Haryana. Many have risked everything and spent war sums up to 57 lakh rupees paid to unscrupulous travel agents to use a dangerous donkey route. This route, which often begins with the flight to South American countries like Brazil and then a long perilous trek north to the Darien Gap, has unfortunately led to fatalities, including the tragic death of an Indian family from Gujarat near the US-Canada border in 2022. The Indian government has in turn focused its efforts to tackle the source of the problem. In February 2025, the Enforcement Directorate launched a major investigation against over 4,300 Indians suspected of entering the US unlawfully in a direct attempt to curb human trafficking. Furthermore, in May 2025, the US State Department imposed visa restrictions on executives and senior officials of Indian travel agencies in Malta and facilitating illegal migration, holding the facilitators accountable. For the returning individuals, the impact is catastrophic. They return with immense debt, often having sold family land, and face social stigma and lack of employment opportunities. The American dream gamble has cost them their dignity, their savings, and their years of effort, highlighting the need for more secured and legal pathways for genuine Indian aspirants while decisively crushing the illegal migration industry.